Hey guys, it's Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. I'm standing on a new listing we have here. 2017 245 Sailfish dual console. As you can see, I'm standing in the cockpit of this boat. For a 24-foot boat, it really does have a large cockpit space. What's great about this is you can fold these seats away. This way it gives you real good ample area to go fishing or just move around the boat. Powered by a 300 white Mercury Verado. Got a live well back here, flip down seat, flip out seats on both sides, seat with storage underneath behind the helm, seat here on the port side. This boat does have an enclosure on it, so this way early spring, late fall, you're staying a little warmer. Got a Garmin display here, your mercury gauges, switching helm seat that's adjustable. The largest head compartment in its class with a sink, electric marine head. And walking up here to the bow, you got great bow seating up here and your anchor locker. So up on top of your large hardtop here is a spotlight and a windshield wiper if you catch any spray or rain. It's an excellent boat to take the family out on. Do dual purpose boat. You can go fishing in the morning and take them out cruising or sandbarring in the afternoon. If you have any questions about this boat, give me a call, 609-207-3325. Thank you.